Okay. Now here's what I want done on this one. This is not hard. You need to make 2 more lines alongside the fraction. So remember what we talked about. If you have the bottom x, you have a 5th power and a 3rd power. You can cross the 1 out of the bottom because you have an x on top. X on top, x on bottom. So I cross out the x, I take its power and subtract it. Okay? 3 minus 5, though, is a negative number. Okay? So you cross that out and put 3 minus 5, put negative 2. Okay? Now, since that's now a negative power, what you need to do is, and actually you don't need this other line here. If that's a negative power, which it is, you now put the x on the bottom and it becomes a positive 2. Now you need something on top and you put a 1. 1 over x to the 2. Next one. X, take out the 1 on the bottom, minus it. So 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Now, since that x, we don't know what x is, but if it has a negative power, it needs to switch to the bottom, and it becomes a positive 2. Now you put 1 over the top of it. Cross out, minus 5. So that's a negative 3. So if this has a negative power, it needs to switch from the top to the bottom where it becomes positive with 1 over it. Okay? I can't figure it out because it's just x. Cross it out, minus 8. 5 minus 8 gives you a negative number. Okay? All that means is you need to move x to the other side of the line where it becomes a positive. 1 over it. Cancel, minus 15. 12 minus 15 is negative 3. So you take, since it has a negative power, the x then moves from the top of the line to the bottom of the line so that its exponent is written as a positive. Okay, that little power has to be positive. 1 over. Four minus 7, negative 3. What that means, the x switches from the top part of the line to the bottom of the line where it becomes a positive 3 with a 1 over it. Not hard, okay? 9 and a 6, okay? Cross out the bottom, minus the power from the top. 6 minus 9 is a negative 3. So you cross that out, put negative 3. Now, if I end up with a negative exponent on the base x, we need to move the base x from the top of the line to the bottom of the line so it becomes a 3. 1 over. Okay? Minus 10. 7 minus 10 is negative 3. Goes from the top to the bottom where it becomes a positive 3. 1 over. It's not 3 every time. Just got lucky. Now you do these.